Kangaroo. Koala. Emu. Crocodile.
I don't have a robot, but there's a car. If we push the red button, it goes like far, but it's just like stuck. We just push the button.
Oh, okay.
And we just push the button back, then it goes back. There is guitar music.
There's guitar music.
Rock guitar.
A rock guitar? Whoa. So it's like a rock and roll car. Rock and roll car?
It is the back. You can go up and down.
The back of the car can go up and down? Like you can open it? What is
And
the
there's a big cover, and we can put cars under it.
Oh, you can put cars under it? It's like a garage?
Yes. And there's people, many cars, and people.
Yeah.
Taeyong, did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Yes. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday to the no club.
Where?
And like to club.
Oh, you went to club. Did you have fun?
Tomorrow club.
Tomorrow going to club too? But tomorrow is Saturday. Do you have club on Saturday?
Saturday and the mom and daddy and caterpillar and the big caterpillar.
A big caterpillar? Mommy and Daddy are going to see a big caterpillar?
Yes.
Wow! How big is a big caterpillar?
And eggs.
And it has eggs?
Eggs and caterpillar, mom and daddy.
Wow! That sounds like a really good weekend. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes!
Are the tadpoles the same?
No.
What happened?
One is not leg. One is two legs.
Yes.
Not four legs. Not four legs.
You can match the objects.
Yes. This is Mommy frog. Mommy frog.
Why?
This is not Daddy frog.
Daddy frog cannot lay eggs?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
Emma, what was your favorite part of today? One. You like gym class? Oliver? You also like gym class? Sunwoo, what was your favorite part of today?
It's yummy.
Yummy. Did you like eating lunch? Oh. What is this?
Carrot.
What is this?
Tomato.
What is this?
Tomato.
What is this? Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Close your eyes. What's missing? Tomato. Carrot. And one more. Mushroom.
This one is not only red but many red. There's golden maize.
It's also God made and it can be red.
And little bit and there is the beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
And then not a dress.
It's not a dress?
Yes, dress is not God made.
Oh, that's true.
And
Maybe it's a mountain.
no. This is the many colors, many non-colors. But this one is the many red color, and then the little bit many of the white. They have the little bit of leaves and stems, and there is roots too.
Ooh.
And then that is a tree. That is and there is the nut trunk, or the nut green one, and the nut black one, and the nut the brown one.
Wow, I think you described it really, really well. Okay, it has a stem and also has roots, so that means it must be growing, but it's not a tree because it doesn't have a trunk. So then I think it must be a flower. Wow, you described it so well.
What did you do yesterday for Parents' Day?
Parents' Day
Mm-hmm.
cookie.
You cooked? What did you cook?
Tomato.
You cooked tomatoes?
Yeah.
Did you help cut the tomatoes?
Yes.
So what else did you do?
Carrot cook.
You cooked carrots?
Yeah.
Oh, what else did you cook?
Egg.
How did you cook the eggs?
Cutting and cook.
Cutting and cooking the eggs?
Yeah.
So did you put all of those together to make something?
Not real.
Oh, not real.
Yeah.
It was pretend?
Yes. But it's sandwich.
You made a sandwich?
Yeah.
Or was it a tasty sandwich?
Yes.
What else did you put on the sandwich?
Delicious cake.
You put cake on a sandwich?
Yeah. A little bit.
A little bit of cake? Oh, so it was like a sweet sandwich?
I put the salty.
Salty and sweet sandwich?
Yeah.
Whoa.
What is this one?
Banana.
Do you like banana?
Yeah.
That's today's snack.
Yeah. And me is at my house or eating banana. The food is banana.
Oh, you eat lots of bananas at home?
Yeah.
How many? How many is that?
4.
4 bananas
Yeah.
every day?
No. Stay.
What animal likes to
Monkey.
eat bananas?
Monkey.
Monkeys? What about you?
Me?
Are you a monkey?
No.
What is this?
Cat.
It's a cat. It's so cute.
So cute.
What color eyes does it have?
Mint.
Mint eyes? Ooh. Okay. Do you have a cat at home?
My mommy is no cat in my household.
Oh, mommy said no cats at home.
Yeah.
Do you want a cat?
Yeah.
So, what is this sound? This is what is this called?
Finger.
Puppet.
Puppet.
It's a finger puppet. So, puppet. Puppet. Oh, we dropped it. A puppet. A finger puppet. What is this? Plate. This is a plate. This is a puppet. And how about this?
Oh, panda.
Yeah, it's a panda. So we have panda, puppet, plate. How about this?
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin. So we have panda, puppet, plate, pumpkin. Can you hand me The puppet. Yeah, nice job, buddy. How about the plate? How about the panda? Yeah, that's the panda. And the pumpkin? All right. Nice.